Today we will learn English with one of the most intelligent animals on Earth, the elephant. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. Sentence 1. This is an elephant. It is a very large land animal. The word land means it lives on the ground, not in the water and not in the air. Sentence 2. Elephants have long trunks and big ears. A trunk is the long nose that elephants use to breathe, smell, drink, and touch. Repeat. Trunk, big ears. Sentence 3. Elephants use their trunks to drink water and to pick up food. They can pick up small things and heavy things with the same trunk. Repeat. Pick up food. Drink water. Sentence 4. Elephants live in family groups called herds. A herd is a big group of animals that stay together. Repeat. Family group. Herd. Sentence 5. Elephants are known for their strong memory and their gentle nature. The word memory is your ability to remember. The word gentle means kind and calm, not aggressive. Now let's take a life lesson from the elephant. Elephants are big and powerful, but they are also patient, social, and protective of their family. When one elephant is in danger, the others come close to help. They don't leave each other alone. Learning English can feel like a long journey, like walking slowly across a huge land. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you think you are moving too slowly. But remember the elephant. It walks slowly, but it reaches very far. It carries heavy things step by step. It never forgets the important paths. You can be like an elephant in your learning. Move slowly but steadily. Carry new words in your memory. Stay close to people who help you learn, like teachers, friends, or the One Lingo community. Repeat this line with me. I will learn English with a strong memory and a gentle heart, like an elephant. Say it again, slowly. I will learn English with a strong memory and a gentle heart, like an elephant. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, what do you like about elephants? Write one simple sentence in English with the word elephant. For example, the elephant is big, gentle, and very intelligent. I will read your sentences and maybe your idea will inspire the next episode of Animal English with One Lingo.